I can't see you. Somebody turn on the light.
Hold up, don't. Can you turn on the light? Don't. I got a light in here. Stop.
Better?
No, wait, don't.
Say what's up.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
No, say how you doing.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Where's your hair?
Where's your hair?
I'm asking you. Where's all your hair? What happened?
It's not late.
Huh?
It's still up.
Tell us about your new haircut.
Oh, goodness.
Wait, you gonna get that today?
Hello.
I just had this head right now, but someday I will be a grown-up man with spiky hair.
You see those people with spiky hair?
Yay.
We got Spucky. Nice, Jacob. You look nice.
Say hi, Aunt Ashley.
Hi, and Ashley.
Hi, Uncle Critter.
Hi, Uncle Cradle.
Hi,
Hi,
Uncle Bobby. Uncle Bobby. Say hi, Aunt Taylor.
Hi, Aunt Taylor.
Say hi,
Hi,
Uncle David.
Uncle David.
There's Uncle David too.
Yeah.
David. So there's a lot of David.
Hey. Hi, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hi,
What mommy say?
Grandma.
What mommy do when she see your new haircut?
Freak out. She loves it. She loves it.
Yeah.
Wait, did he get this today?
Yeah, he just got it out. Why do you think I was so shocked?
Mommy gave him hair.
I nearly had a heart attack. I was like, ah!
I got the lollipop, but it fell on the floor.
Oh, I got you a lollipop.
We got you a lollipop.
Yeah, they got you a
It
lollipop.
was this.
I'm trying to take the credit.
It was the same one as this.
What is your lollipop? What
Blue.
color? Yes, right.
Raspberry. It's raspberry.
How you spell
it's
blue? How you spell blue?
But ooh. First a B, then an L, then a U.
Mhm. And then an E.
A E.
That's right. Say blue.
Blue.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Oh, how you spell red? Right.
Oh, then a E, then an N.
Red.
Let's kiss. Jiggy, you
No.